Two Future Influence Beats.
YouTube, what it do is your boy Humble Melly back at again with another video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, share it with your people because in today's video, I can't even see me, but door handles. And I'm gonna be painting and color matching everything on the car. I got some other things I'm gonna paint or spray paint. I'm not actually painting. I'm not a painter, but I'm gonna do it because why not? You got a class. Tell me what I went there. Rate the thing, but the email is like at 2, and I don't have an email. My email set up. I do, but it's like online. Classes will be in teams, which I'm a meatball. I should have. I should have been a popular and watching my email, but yeah, right now I'm testing like one side. Should I send leave with gloss and spray, or send it? Here's how it would come out. Everything centered, gloss, send it. You send it. I don't have no acetone or whatever it says. Or I'm saying like that. But I got alcohol. So I'm right ready. Got my big house. But how are they going? How school, whatever, work? Or you just living life? How's that going? Got my alcohol, 1%. don't know how much to put, but put a nice amount. I don't know if you can see. And this I'm just going. Oh, guess the color I'm using. I probably won't show the color on here. It's like till like I complete everything and do everything I want. But I got like 4 more door handles and everything. I got lug nuts. I might go get those and do those too. But guess the color. I might show the color at the end. So stay tuned if you like it, you know. Yeah. But other than that, I hope life is great, life is good. Good glory to God, you know. To the man above, the big man above. So I gonna be another video. It might just be in my parents found out. I think I said that before. But the funny way they found out, my pops. Oh, yeah, I call them pops. My pops was scrolling through Google to find Facebook. Found me instead of Facebook. He said, wait, is this? He just told me, don't be acting crazy on here. I like basically don't mess up the image. Which is understandable. But I'm gonna do me, but not too much. And then increase, hopefully everything else increase. But Lord, you know, keep him hitting the bud, keep him ahead. I follow him. I'll be a servant. But yeah, I'm gonna spray these and catch y'all back later. Excuse me. Also got spike lug nuts. Sizes on here. I don't know. Oh, focus. But they are 12 by 1.25. And I send it one. Send this one. I'm like that.
Yeah! Romano brought that sauce again.
Mook got the keys jumping. got the keys jumping.
Yeah! Romano brought that sauce again.
Mook got the keys jumping.
Yeah! Romano brought that sauce again.
Mook got the keys jumping.